जो बॉटल्स तोड़े ये पूरा अहमद सर का आइडिया था.
Ahmed sir went himself to throw the
मैंने सिर्फ एक 100% डर हुआ था and something Dinu had said that you might scare the children away and stuff like that. But I think we have a lot of intelligent people in our country और सब लोग जानते हैं कि ये सिर्फ एक कैरेक्टर है. मैं एक्चुअली हथौड़ा लेके किधर नहीं जाता and I'm quite friendly otherwise. So I think, and I'm doing a lot of stuff for the kids. Yeah, after this ABCD 2 आने वाली है, which is totally a kids film, and there's another film that's going to be announced soon. So I think बच्चों के लिए बहुत है आगे, but I think something for the adults, something for people who thought I was a bit cheesy in my first 3 films. So now they'll get this dose as well. Hi Prerna.
Yeah. So in this movie, you're romancing 3 pretty ladies, Yami, Huma, and Divya. So आप सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable.
Actually 4.
Oh, 4.
एक और है. राधिका आप्टे.
Okay, so
मैं किसी को नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable आप किसके साथ थे?
सबके साथ.
But still एक rapport bonding जिसके साथ build up हो गया होगा.
I genuinely think all 4. In fact, आप डीनो को पूछ सकते हैं क्वेश्चन क्योंकि इन्होंने जब कास्टिंग शुरू की थी. I think Sriram would get. I think when we did the love making scene, Sriram himself was a little taken aback by how comfortable me and Yami were, because we were really in the emotion as man and wife, man and woman. And whereas I think the thing that's taken everyone aback is a little bit the Divya Datta kiss. But I don't see why, because Divya is a very, very beautiful woman and she's an amazing actress. And plus, I'm not playing 27 at that time. I'm playing a much older age. तो उस वक्त जैसे मैंने कहा कि बदलापुर के ड्यूरिंग आई वाज इन अ ट्रांस, आई एक्चुअली फेल्ट कि मैं एक
older very dedicated actor. He makes actors very comfortable, especially the female ones.
My father's left, so
that's why.
सवाल ये है कि कितनी बार चोटें लगी थी टोटल, क्योंकि अखबारों में हमने पढ़ा, लेकिन अभी आपसे जानना चाहेंगे क्योंकि 2 अंतरे 1 मुखड़ा है गाने का. तो
जो 2 लोग इधर राइट पे बैठे हैं आप इनसे पूछ लो क्योंकि इनको पता है एग्जैक्ट. अहमद सर से पूछ लो, टीनो से पूछ लो.
Got burnt, then he's fallen down, then he's hit himself, then we've hit him with bottles.
जो बॉटल्स तोड़े हैं ये पूरा अहमद सर का आइडिया था.
Ahmed sir went himself to throw the
मैंने सिर्फ एक फोड़ी.
बट थोड़ा था.
झूठा मैंने देखा आपको एक के बाद एक आप देख रहे थे.
Others were thrown here there and we were not getting that effect.
Retakes कितने हुए?
I said BD मैं आता हूँ. I came with the bottle and the bottle which slammed him here was me. And I'm very sorry about that VD. And he said something hit me very hard here. And that was the okay shot. तो कभी आप गाना वापस देखिएगा तो उसमें देखिएगा एक बॉटल जो बहुत जोरदार यहाँ बेचारे को पड़ी है. And it flew. And sweet of him, after that whole night he shot with all the glasses all over him.
The pyro का बता दो जो मतलब. There's a thing it's called cold pyro. जो झूठ है. There's nothing like cold pyro. Anything that's fire is always hot.
There is. But उस दिन hot pyro.
और वापस.
There's a pyro which there's a shower like a Niagara Fall. तो ऊपर से it falls down. And I said, VD, we called cold pyros. And I don't know what went wrong with those idiots. They ended up getting hot pyro. And he stood inside and that runs for nice 25-30 seconds. And Varun, poor thing, I said, start walking in style. He started walking in style. The moment he came below that pyro, his expressions changed. And I said, we're shooting on 2000 frames. Why is he changing? And later on he came out and there was smoke coming.
From Raghu, I become Bhagu.
Poor thing, and I'm very sorry about that, Varun.
No, it's all worth it.
The other thing is, he went back for one more retake. And he stood in that pyro and he started hitting his hand. And finally, we had to pull him out. And then we put ice all over his head, especially for you to know. He was really injured. He was burnt and he was bruised at the back also. So, this happened, glass tuta. Then he had to break the brick wall. And that was a real brick. And Varun, such a real brick.
Yeah, Sunny Deol will be happy after this video for sure. We'll do a dance, Dino.
I think we'll make Varun sing. But you know, this song, sometimes at least with Sachin Jigar na, there's such good energy in the room. Songs happen, like हम बहुत मेहनत नहीं करते. हमारा 1.5 घंटे में ये एल्बम के तीनों गाने एक के बाद एक बने, मतलब not different days. So I remember one day we were working on another album. I called them up कि आज मैं ना, I was very angry. So I called them in the morning. I said, I'm coming to do Badlapur today. We came, there was just some riff of some guitar. बैठे in 1.5 hours, we had the whole song between Sachin Jigar and me. And we called Varun, who's sometimes frets a lot, you know, there's no music. So I sent him a message, go to sleep. So, so he came to the studio. And I remember, Varun, when you heard the song for the first time, what happened?
मैंने बोला that boss, we've got a theme song. I said this is a song now Sriram will like. Because it's very difficult to please Sriram because obviously
such
the
a
film
liar.
is in
First
such a
he
tone.
gave a politically correct answer. He was like all emotional. Then he left and he said, "अरे और गाने भी चाहिए." So he's a greedy guy. This political. I think Divya should sing the song.
Also want to welcome Jigar is here.
Jigar, give your speech now. Sachin said
Jigar
you
has
had
written
prepared
a speech. आज शेव भी करके आए
I
जिगर.
told them that I was missing you because you prepared the speech for the day.